Today we are making a cucumber salad. It comes together in 2 minutes. We are aiming for this kind of bite-sized cucumbers. If your cucumber is having thick skin, peel it off. Mine was English cucumber. It did not have thick skin, so I'm just using the skin on. The very important ingredient that I want to use in this is chili crisp. It's Chinese thing. What happens is they put neutral hot oil on top of chili flakes. I'm going to use generous 2 teaspoons of this. This is the key ingredient which makes it really good. And then I'm going to add some onion chopped, about like 2 tablespoons, and this is going to be my cilantro, again about 1/4 cup, and sugar goes on it like a tablespoon, and half teaspoon of salt. And then for extra crispiness, after I mix this up, I'm going to add some peanuts, which are crushed peanuts, on top. And this is really good. You just keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then it is ready to enjoy. All the flavors get mingled, all the flavors get absorbed by the cucumber. Try it this way. I call it in my house this thing as a Thai cucumber salad because of the chili crisp oil. I really get Thai flavor. So this is incorporated very well. I'm going to add some crushed peanuts on the top to give it even more crunch. Some crunch comes from the onion that we added, and we can also add green onion little bit if you like, and then you can also add mint leaves if you like. But I try it this way and this comes out great. Isn't it looking amazing? I will keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then I will enjoy this. Try it at home, like and subscribe, and do share it with your friends. This is amazing. Salad comes all together in 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.